Welcome to DM News English. I'm Alex Isat. A manhunt has been launched after a 75-year-old woman died following an aggravated burglary at her home in Tollington Park, Finsbury Park. Police said she and an 81-year-old man were treated by paramedics and taken to hospital, while a crime scene remains in place and detectives are awaiting post-mortem results. Courtney Gartshaw, 28, is due to be sentenced after being convicted of culpable homicide over the death of her 3-month-old daughter, Dahlia Rose, in Peterhead. The court heard the baby suffered fatal injuries at a King Street address in September 2023, while Gartshaw had been drinking and was in sole charge of the child. CPS Chief Stephen Parkinson has urged senior justice leaders to stop blaming each other over failings in the Simon Levy case, sparked a public row. Levy, 40, has been jailed for the rest of his life after killing Carmen Sovalencio Trujillo and Cheryl Wilkins in London, while serious questions continue over why he was repeatedly released before the murders. Christopher Rice, 35, has appeared in court again, charged with murder following the death of his 9-year-old daughter, Minnie Merriman, in Arbroath. The child from West Yorkshire was found injured at Elliott Industrial Estate on August 3rd and later died in hospital, while Rice was remanded in custody after appearing at Forfar Sheriff Court. Kyle Nelson, 38, from Manchester, has been jailed for 11 years after escaping prison and fleeing to Thailand under fake names. Police said Nelson was a key figure in a County Lines drug network operating in York and used false identities after leaving prison during day release in 2024. Former teacher Sally Ann Bowen, 65, is on trial accused of inappropriate conduct involving 2 pupils at Christ's College in Finchley, North London, during the 1980s. One former pupil told Harrow Crown Court he was not inventing the allegations and claimed Bowen behaved inappropriately while working at the school, while Bowen faces the case as legal proceedings continue. Second man arrested after Glasgow City incident. A second man has been arrested and charged after 4 people were injured during an alleged disturbance in Glasgow city centre. Emergency services were called to Sorky Isle Street in the early hours of August 2nd, where 3 men and a woman were hurt, while police are treating the case as attempted murder. A Fife mother is calling for changes to Scottish law after her husband was charged over illegal child-related material found in their home. She says families and children affected by such cases need stronger protection, while campaigners argue that parental contact rules should put the safety and welfare of children first. A petition opposing the early release of PC Andrew Harper's Killers has reached 1 million signatures. The campaign began after concerns that Albert Bowers and Jesse Cole could be released halfway through their 13-year sentences under an early release scheme, while PC Harper's family and supporters continue calling for them to remain in prison. The family of Abigail Eggleston, 22, is appealing for government action after learning that Liam Bowes, who killed her in a drunk hit-and-run crash, could benefit from an early release plan. Bowes was jailed for 12 years after leaving the Durham University law student at the scene and later trying to destroy evidence. Nearly 3 tons of cocaine worth an estimated £232 million have been seized at London Gateway Port in Essex after officers intercepted a banana shipment from South America. The 2.9-ton haul led to 9 arrests and dealt a major blow to an organised crime group involved in trafficking Class A drugs into the United Kingdom. You're watching DM News English. Stay tuned for latest updates.